Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by converting the YouTube beat to a local MP3 or WAV file. You want WAV if possible for better fidelity. Next, make sure the file's sample rate, 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz, matches your new Studio One song to avoid pitch or timing shifts. Once done, open Studio One and create a new song. Then set the session tempo close to the beat's BPM, so audio aligns when you import it. Drag the converted beat file directly into the arranger and drop it onto an audio track. Studio One will create an event. Then enable transient detection or use the audio bend/time stretch tools to align bars to your song grid. Set grid to 1/4 or 1/8 depending on beat. Make sure the start point is trimmed so the downbeat hits bar 1. Once aligned, set a loop region if you want to rehearse verses or record over a section. Now balance levels and insert basic processing, EQ and compression, on the beat track, and route vocals or instruments to a dedicated bus. Arm the recording track, enable the click if you need a metronome, and test monitoring. If latency disturbs you, lower the buffer size or switch drivers. If you encounter drift or pitch problems, verify the song and file sample rates match, confirm your audio interface driver is set correctly, and adjust.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.